Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Monday, March 30th from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington. As far as the overview goes, what we're really expecting, very warm temperature today, Monday, but that's not going to last long because if you look at tonight, we're going to have a cold front coming through late tonight, and all our dry, nice sunny weather is going to go downhill pretty quickly. Even late tonight, we may see some snow in the Cascades, and rain and thunder chances will increase. Tuesday and Wednesday are really going to be the real cool, showery, kind of nasty days, very windy, and snow levels will still continue to fall, but mainly stay in the mountains. The only thing about Wednesday is with the cold upper trough right overhead, and I'll have a slide to show you that. It will be highly convective, and it's likely that what we will see are snow showers all the way down to the valley floors. This isn't the typical snow. This is called graupel, and they resemble very tiny snowballs, and accumulations won't last long. We have a very brief break, a day and a half, and then unfortunately here comes the weekend with the pretty much the same pattern as Tuesday and Wednesday. Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Monday, March 30th, 2015 from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington. Following well above normal high temperatures today will be a quick transition to a cooler, more showery and windy pattern beginning Tuesday and Wednesday, followed by a brief break and another cool, showery pattern, unfortunately, for the weekend. This slide demonstrates the previously mentioned transition for Spokane and much of the region to the cool pattern, with temperatures going below normal levels by Tuesday. Keep note of the below normal and freezing low temperatures expected by Thursday and Friday for the Spokane area. This slide also shows the previously mentioned transition to the cool pattern, but this will be for Wenatchee, with temperatures going below normal levels by Tuesday. Freezing temperatures are not expected. Today's upper ridge responsible for the warm and dry weather is clearly obvious. However, we can look to the west and see the culprit for the dramatic pending cool down, as well as showery and windy weather beginning Tuesday. The cold front is very close to the yellow jet stream line and will be moving onshore Tuesday. In only 24 to 36 hours, we can see how quickly the offshore cold front and trough has overtaken all of the Pacific Northwest by midweek. The first indication of the pattern change will be a plume of southerly moisture that will help to initiate rain showers across southeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle Tuesday morning. An isolated lightning strike is not out of the question. As the cold front moves across the region on Tuesday, isolated thunder will be possible, embedded within a large area of rain showers. The thunder area is in blue. This graphic not only shows the shower and thunder threat beginning late tonight, but also shows all threat areas where thunder could be isolated. This graphic is from the Storm Prediction Center's thunder forecast and does include western Washington. We currently do not have thunder in the forecast for this area, western Washington, but we simply wanted to include this slide to show the level of uncertainty in this difficult forecast for those traveling west across the Cascades. Very gusty winds are a certainty for Tuesday behind the cold front. And of course, behind the cold front comes colder temperatures. This shows the falling snow levels during cold front passage. Snow levels continue to fall on Tuesday, even down to pass level in the Cascades, as well as Sherman Pass. Snow levels by Wednesday are nearly down to the lower valley floors, including Spokane and Pullman. Of note, however, is that these low April snow levels are the result of convective showery type conditions that produces brief heavy graupel, also known as soft hail, resembling tiny snowballs that can fall to very low elevations before melting. Here's a cumulative total rain and liquid equivalent for mountain snow for the entire cold front event for the midweek. Keep in mind that given the highly convective or showery nature of the precipitation, large ranges in rain or snow amounts over very short distances are highly likely. This is the most difficult type of forecast the Spokane National Weather Service has to deal with. Here is a cumulative snow amount forecast for the entire cold front event midweek. Keep in mind again that given the highly convective or showery nature of the precipitation, large ranges in snow or soft hail amounts over very short distances are a near certainty. This is the most difficult type of forecast the Spokane National Weather Service has to deal with. Also, any light accumulations in the lower elevations melt very quickly. Another graphic showing the unsettled cold Wednesday pattern. Following a brief break in the cool showery weather, the weekend will be under another cool down with more showers. This is similar to the midweek weather pattern shown earlier in the slides. Here's the 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. Again, expect the cool and showery weather to continue. And one of our last slides, impact summary. And last but not least, please monitor our forecast throughout the week for updates. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube.